Good morning students, I welcome you all for the Sheba group of school online class. I am really very happy to be with you once again with a new lesson, prose lesson, The Chair, written by K. Rajanarayanan. So we are going to see about the author on page number 148. We have got about the author. Rajanarayanan, popularly known as the Tamil initials as Kira. So he was called as Kira in Tamil. He is a folklorist, means writing about the folk songs. Folk means our traditional way, and a prolific author. So he writes the thing, what is happening and what is the present thing. The Chair is written in 1969 and its original title is Narkali. So the original lesson is, here it is given as The Chair, but the real is Narkali. The novel Gobala Gramam and its sequence Gobalapurathu Makkal. So the people, those who live together on joint families, those days, are among his most acclaimed. He won the Satya Academy Award for the later in 1991. As a folklorist already I told you, writing about the traditional way of writing. Kira spent decades collecting folk tales. பழைய காலத்து கதைங்கள்லாம் சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? So he was collecting those stories into a 942-page book, the Nattupura Kadai Kalanjiyam, the collection of country tales. So he published a book. As of 2009, he has published around 30 books. A selection of all these were translated into English by Pritham K. Chakravarti and published in 2009 as Where Are You Going, You Monkeys? Folk Tales from Tamil Nadu. So he has written, Where Have You Gone, Monkeys? So now let us go into the lesson, The Chair or the Narkali. So usually it is a common thing in our houses nowadays. But he writes this story from the olden type of people, those who lived in joint families. They will be living together, father, mother, and grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt. So all these people, they live together. So we are going to the lesson. So on page number 143. So read the following story about a family that does not have a chair. So that house which you are going to study now is that there is no chair at all there. Usually they used to sit on the floor. நல்ல ஒரு பாய் விரித்து இதான் உட்கார வைப்பாங்க. In the olden days we have seen all our traditional way of functions and other things, marriages and other things, they used to mostly they sit on the floor type thing. So here also the house without a chair. Nowadays what happened is, it is a common thing. Without a chair in a house is like the humorous incident. So suddenly everyone in the house began to feel this way. So let us join together and make an agenda. Means think how we have to buy a chair and discussions all sat together. The family nowadays it is not at all. All people will be having each cell phone in their hand, and they will be busy with the cell phone. In those days what happened? They used to sit together. There is no prayer in the houses also nowadays. People are all very busy. And they go out and come. They get very tired. They got time for everything. But for prayer and for devotion they won't come. They will be very busy. So here they put. So in the olden days it's not like that. All sit together and they discuss. The day before, a family friend has paid us a visit. So he was a subject. Why they joined together to make an agenda is, last day, before day, a family friend came to visit us. He was the sub-judge. So he is a judge. Sub-judge couldn't have to come like a flesh. So he came to our house. Usually in those days people will be wearing vestiyum, also or sattayarkum. But what he arrived on his, so we thought that he will be coming, but he arrived in suit and boot. Yeah, suit coat போட்டு வந்தாங்கன்னு இல்லையா, so like that. So and all. There was only a 3-legged stool in our house. எங்கள் வீட்டில் என்ன இருக்கும், ஒரு மூக்காலின்னு வாங்க, 3 இது தான் இருக்கும். ஏன் பெரும்பாலும் அது வந்து பூஜை அறைகளில் அந்த விளக்கு வைக்கிறதுக்கு வச்சுருப்பாங்க. சில வீட்டுகளில் கொஞ்சம் வயசானவங்களுக்கு to people to sit. So it measured a mere 3/4 foot. A cham-curd party, our grandmother would sit only on it. She was quite heavy. Yeah, நல்ல ஃபேட்டாக இருப்பாங்க. Our grandfather asked carpenter to make it somewhat broader. அதனால் அதுக்கு மேலே என்ன பண்ணாங்க, ஒரு பலகையை வச்சு கொஞ்சம் பெருசாக, because for the grandmother. The sub-judge too was little portly. So the judge who came on the previous day, he was also a little bit fat. Since we didn't possess any of other furniture, so there was no furniture for the judge as the guest to sit. So I brought him that. So at last he planned and he brought that 3-legged stool. Yeah, we used to call it as a stool. So and he asked him to sit there. One stretch. So even so many times you had fallen. So many times we have also tried. So sit, what happened if you don't balance, you will be rolling away. So the same thing happened. So poor thing. So the judge was asked to sit there in the chair there. So but happened what, just as we so used to, the uriன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க வீட்டுக்குள்ள எல்லாரும், in the olden days it will be there. There will be a rope tied on the rope and all the things, curd and butter, and the ghee will be on the top, because students or children, they will be going and eating it and the ants will not come. So they will be. So sometimes what happen, we want to taste some ghee, what we used to do that, but usually we fall down. There are another reason for our giggles. The memory of our parents suppress this giggles in front of their guests. So what happened? So when he finished laughing, so what happened? We were waiting. So we made him sit, but he was also not comfortable and we were also very scared. So when he was going to fall, after this incident, it was decided. So what happened? The same way as they thought, the person who sat on the stool, he rolled away. After this incident, we decided it's not good to have this old 3-foot stool. So let us buy a new chair. No problem, we can buy one from the town, suggested my brother Pedanna. So my elder brother said that it's not a problem, let us go to the market and we buy. There wasn't chair he hadn't made, and that's the governor himself had praised him. So let's go to the market. So Attai, our aunt, said that there was a skilled carpenter. So the Attai said that we have got a skilled carpenter who can make the chair. And there wasn't a chair, so he made it. So if you want to show the pattern also, it is not there. So you have to go to the governor. Only governor house there will be a chair where the governor will be sitting. So what happened? We took him there to show that the pattern of how to make a chair. So and when my mother heard of my aunt's second sentence, she turned her face and said, yes. So let us make. My father called the worker, dispatched him the carpenter village and came to him, sat down. So now they made it. So what wood we have to make? So teak wood. Yeah, it's a costliest wood. So it will be the best. That will be light to lift and carry, but it's strong. So it will be light but be strong. The teak wood. At the same time, said our grandmother, pressing us, our party was extremely fond of her legs. So at that moment, our material uncle, Mamanar, was there and he is telling, walked in. Pedanna ran and brought the stool again, the stool which was there. For the while a whole house, that is already before only what happened? The subject who came to as a guest, they were made him to sit, but he fell and he rolled on the floor. Mamanar himself has chosen. So at last he knows about the chair. What happened? He has already got a place where he used to usually sit. So he went and sat on the floor. So sit there. No, he wouldn't lean against the pillar. So he will be sitting erect. So did see any money falling from there? And Anna would say with him. He would always be perched with the door. So what happened? All this time. As soon as the Mamanar sat down, so Amma came from the kitchen. So as a sister. So what happened? They came and Amma gave a silver tumbler of buttermilk to him, and his brother has come. So father is telling, so special care is being taken there by her mother to take care of her brother, that is. The aroma, so the buttermilk with the taste and smell, yeah, it will be very nice. So added up with then first year means perungayan solranga, yeah, made it, so still there is the smell increased. We believe that Mamanar visited us mainly, so he came to his house only to drink this buttermilk, because he himself got to Kannavaram to buy this. So he himself went to the place where usually we get the cow. My younger brother and sister, so the cow with the calf, the young one. So whenever we came over, we used to sit and play. The anticipation of the imagine. So at last what happened is, so they planned. So they planned to make 2 chairs, one for their family and another for his Mamanar's family. So when they approached, they started to select what wood. One suggested with the wood called as Poovarassu, and another said that let us make with the neem tree. It will be very strong and also healthy. And at last they decided, so let us make with the, and they gave the work to the carpenter. So everyone felt, and they were waiting for the day for the chair to come. So when 2 chairs arrived, we didn't know which one. So one day we have to send it to the Mamanar's house. So what happened? Which one to be we should have, and one to the one to send. So after sending one chair, what they think is, so shall we send the better one? So one by one. So what happened now? There's only one chair at the home. So all of us, we made it a turn to who to sit on first. So for a few minutes you had to sit, then the next, like that. The thing is, Vedana sat and explained actually, he ran his hand, so he put his hand on the arms and other things of the chair. My little sister and brother fought for frequently, so they used to fight, my younger sister and brother, to frequently to go and sit. You have been sitting for a long time. I want to sit now. Oh, I have just sat down. Yeah, look at here, Amma. So he used to complain. A few days passed by. One night somebody, so the chair is there at home, and one night what happened? There was a knocking at the door. Pedana, who was sleeping in the inner PL, opened the door. So the front, thin and solvang. So he was sitting there. They said that an important person had just died in the village and they need the chair. So they came and asked, will you give me the chair? But an important person has. Since this decrease was almost known for us. So what happened? We cannot take, so the person is an important person, so they took the chair. Till now in our village, so after that what happened? This chair has made for the dead people to go and sit. So wherever there is a death, what happened? They will come to our house and they will ask for this chair, and they used to take. So from where? From the township picked. Whenever the occasional, yes, usually when it is at home only, because it's been taken, they used to wash and everything, and they returned it. So occasionally. Fortunately, the guest visited our house one day. We made the chair brought to him. Don't bother, I will sit here. So once a visitor came and they put the chair. So what happened? No, I will sit there. The whole family they asked to sit on the chair. No, I will say sit on the floor. The next day, a local elder dropped by the chose and sit there in the chair in his own. So what happened? Like that, the chair is going on out, and it comes inside. So wherever the death, a Sugandhi from the neighboring street came and put her baby brother on the chair, and so the next street. Again one night, someone died, and they took away the chair. So the chair is was not permanently in the house. It has been going out and coming. Again one night, so we had been irritated. God knows. Yeah. So on good days and other things also, this death occurs. So this chair is going out. So all because of the chair. So before that there was no problem at all. But after making the chair, Peddana finally thought of an idea. He kept it for in two of us. Amma sent me to the errand to the Mamana's house. Amma enna solranga poite go to the Mamana's house. So I entered the house. There he was sitting. Mama was sitting in the chair, very cold. So what happened? It was an interesting pastime. So he was eating the betel leaf and the thing. So you can see. In old days, the petty in yeah. So the things will be kept there. Vettala petty in yeah. And so carefully. So and he was sitting there with his elbow and other things. So what happened? He thought after talking to him, he came back. The Mamna asked, why don't you have some thing? Catch hold of Muttappan, stare for his spine. So what happened? So he was sitting there. So he would sniff and brown accumulated. So he was talking about the Parkinson, that betel nut. So to find out how tidy was the person, so they used to chew. Where is the concern? No one but him was in the chair in his house. So what happened the next time? So what happened? They came to the chair to our house. So what I did is, my beggar brother was sitting inside. And I conveyed him to that what Amma asked me to return. A few people from the house of the parents stood outside for the chair. Vedana took him into the street. So tossing Appa into sleep. So he was sleeping there. Appa was sleeping, and at that time the night time. What else follows our bullock cart and threshing? Pulling there. So what happened is, so what they did is, they said our chair is being gone to our Mamana's house. So if you go there to our Mamana's house, you can get the chair. What else was there? So after many days when I visited, so what happened? That chair started. Now they stopped coming to our house, and they went to our Mamana's house too for the chair. Wherever there is date, whenever there is date, they used to get. So what is this? So one day I went to the Mamana's house. What is it? You are sitting on the floor. So when you went there, they saw the Mamana was sitting on the floor. What is it? You are sitting there. I scratched around, skimming the lime paste on the back of the betel. So he was sitting down on the floor and he was putting some lime. He was packing the betel to chew. And he then said calmly, I asked them to keep the chair. So what happened is, at last, they whenever they come and they take the chair. So at last the Mamana decided, you keep it for this purpose. You can take the chair, and hereafter I don't need it. So now the chair is there, out of my house. I asked them to keep the chair for that purpose alone. Anyway, you need one for that to know. So whenever you need it, you are taking the chair. So you keep it yourself. So here I don't have the chair at my home. So I am sitting on the floor. So I couldn't know what to say. I hurried home to convey the news to the Peddana to tell the news that Mamana has given away his chair. So what happened? Next year hereafter they won't be disturb us. But he kept quiet and he was moving. And then ordinarily he stood and he slowed his speed. Because if you go and tell what happened, the secret will be, because dad doesn't know this reason. One day it happened like that, when somebody came, they directed that the chair is in the Mamana's house. So from that time itself, they didn't come here for the chair, they went. So at last what Mamana did is, he denoted so he gave the chair, he donated the chair to that only purpose. So my dear children, so this is the lesson which talks about the chair. So the chair, nowadays it's common. So those days it is like that. So take care of yourself. Let God bless you. Go through this lesson, learn well and prepare well for your examination. Thank you very much and God bless you. Thank you.